everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and in today's episode, we're tackling Leetcode 169, the majority element. Find the majority element that appears more than half of the time in a given array. Guarantee it always exists. For example, number 3 appears 2 times out of 3 elements, more than half. In the next array, number 2 appears 4 times, more than all other numbers combined. So 2 is the majority element. The straightforward way to find the majority element is to count the frequency of each number using a hash map. Whichever number appears the most is the majority element. This works, but it requires extra space, the hash map. We will take a look at a much more elegant solution known as the Boyer-Moore voting algorithm. Here's the key idea. If the majority element appears more than all others combined, then even after subtracting one occurrence for each other element, the majority element's count is still at least 1 left. Think of the majority element as the election winner. The winner already has more votes than any other candidate combined. Even after subtracting 1 vote from the winner for each vote other candidates got, the winner still have at least 1 vote left over. Let's translate this idea into Python. While scanning through the array, we keep 2 variables, candidate for the potential majority element and count for how many votes it currently has. Go through each number. The rules are simple. If count is 0, we don't have a candidate yet. So set the current number as the candidate and set count to 1. The first number we encounter is 2. So we set 2 as the candidate and give it a count 1. Moving on to the next number. If it still equals the current candidate, then we just increase the count of the current candidate. The current number now is 2, which is still the same as the candidate. So we just increase the candidate's count to 2. Continue with the next number. If it's different from the current candidate, decrease the count of the candidate. We are now at the current number 7, which is different from the candidate number 2. Then we decrease the count of the candidate to 1. Next, current number 0, which is different than the current candidate 2. So decrease the count to 0. Next, at this time, the current candidate got 0 count. Replace candidate with 9. Current number, so 9 got 1 count. Next number is 2, which is different than the current candidate 9. Then subtract 1 from count. Next, current candidate 9 has 0 count. So replace candidate with the new number 2 and its count is 1. No more number. Loop ends. Return the candidate which points to the majority number because its count is more than all other numbers combined. Even in the worst case scenario, after cancelling out with all the different numbers one by one, number 2's count is still at least 1 left. Alright, it's time to smart the submit button. Moment of truth. Boom. Accepted. This algorithm runs in O(n) of time since we scan the array once, and it uses O(1) of space because we only keep 2 variables. And that's it for today. With the Boyer-Moore voting algorithm, we can find the majority element efficiently without any extra memory. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist for more Leetcode problems explained simply and clearly. I'm Alan, and this was Leetcode Simplified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.